महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We miss memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul. And it's the only thing that I know.
What do students around the world have in common? Hopes, dreams, yes, but also teachers. So many of the things we know how to do in our lives are thanks to a teacher. Thanks to a teacher, you've learned how to learn. It's their skill and passion that inspire students and help them realize their dreams, which can lead to a better world for us all. We thank doctors and nurses for saving lives. We thank police officers and firefighters for protecting us. We thank artists and writers for advancing our cultures. How often do we take the time to thank teachers for helping us achieve our goals, for empowering our workforce of tomorrow, and for showing us that we can change the world? Every day is the best day to thank a teacher.